Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you where you can find the services in the LEROY MERLIN app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the app, then on the bottom in the middle you can see the services, and here you can find what services you can have. For example, mixing, painting, delivery, online ordering through phone. You can write an opinion or a question here. So that's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.